Today I will tell you how you can generate creative and amazing AI images using Adobe Firefly, like this. Pirate Parrot, Pirate Parrot 2, Chef Squirrel, Animated Girl, Animated Boy, Paper Swan, Marble Owl, Mechanical Bull, Mechanical Bull 2. Let's check prompts. I have already created many professional and amazing prompts that you can use to generate better, creative, unique, and unpredictable images. I will show you the results of some prompts from these. So first, let's copy this chain snack prompt. And paste it here. And now you can see how amazing it is. And the quality of the image is so good. And how realistic it is. It generates 4 variations of each image. And here in the left sidebar, there are some options that you can change to alter the result of your image. Such as these effects. There are many effects, but we have already mentioned some effects in our prompts. So we don't need to use extra effects, but if you want you can use them. Now let's try Metal Horse prompt. Just use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste, and now click on the Generate button. Now it will take some time again. This image is also generated quite well and looks very realistic. Now let's try the Marble Owl prompt. Ctrl+C. Then Ctrl+V. And enter. Wait for a few seconds. And here is our amazing image. It looks amazing. I personally liked it a lot. Now I used the Mechanical Bull prompt. This is also quite good, and it has a lot of detailing. All 4 variations are excellent. Now let's see the next one. Ctrl+V. Now here I use the Clockwork bird prompt. Each image is generated quite well with a lot of detailing. Now let's check the Opal butterfly prompt, copy and paste. And here is the result. It's not very special, but it's fine. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Now let's check the reindeer prompt. Copy and paste. This is quite beautiful, and the result is excellent, and the quality is good too. I will give you the link to all these prompts in the description, so you can update and use the prompts as you like. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like and subscribe.